రిమైండ్ చేశాను. దిస్ టాపిక్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీకు ఇక్కడ క్లారిటీ ఉంటే దిస్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ ఎ లాట్. చిన్న డౌట్ ఉన్నా సరే డోంట్ మైండ్, ఏమీ అనుకోకుండా డౌట్స్ అడగండి, క్లారిఫై చేసుకోండి. వన్స్ మనం ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్స్ అయిపోయిందంటే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్స్. ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్స్ ని మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకొని యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ద 4 ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్స్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు design the remaining all the circuits, whatever the topics that is left over in 4, 5, 6 units. Those topics will be entirely depend upon these 4 circuits. Okay, you have to get very good command in this topic. దీంట్లో మంచి కమాండ్ వస్తే కానీ మీకు ఈజీ అవ్వదు. చిన్న డౌట్ ఉన్నా సరే ఇది అడగచ్చా అడగకూడదా అని ఏం డౌట్ అక్కర్లేదు. ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ హెసిటేట్ టు ఆస్క్ ఎనీ డౌట్. ఓకే, మై సిన్సియర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అని. ఓకే, as we have seen the memory devices, latches and flip-flops. Latches ki flip-flops ki meeku difference enti identify avalana. Latch is a memory element whose excitation signals controls the state of the device, whereas flip-flop is a memory device that has clock signal that controls the state of the device. Okay, and in this we are having the 2 control signals. As we have said, the first one is set and the second one is reset. Set and resets are the 2 signals as we have discussed. Set is indicating we are going to set the output to 1. Reset is indicating we are going to reset the output to 0. And this is indicating that our flip-flop is having certain information. The information can be either logic 1 or logic 0. For every clock pulse, we are going to refresh the memory. Memory refresh chestam. Memory refresh chesaru, if you are making the memory to either read operation or write operation, we are going to see what are the data that is available in the flip-flop. A data ఉన్నదని మనం రీసెట్ చేయాలంటే we are going to apply the reset. If you want to set the flip-flop, we are going to apply the set. అంటే సెట్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే లాజిక్ 1 సెట్ చేస్తున్నాం. If you want to store 0 means we have to reset. That is the main key points for set and reset, and we will see what are the significance of this one. And as we have already discussed, latch and flip-flops are bistable devices. Okay, now first we have verified the S and R, S bar and R bar latch. This is indicating S is applied as an inverter, R is applied as an inverter. This is for the NAND gate, and we have verified the operation for SR latch using NAND gate. In this SR latch we have verified the conditions. When S is 0 and R is 1, it is set condition, that is Q equals to 1 and Q bar is 0. Similarly, when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1, this is called as hold condition, that is there is no change in the data. The data will not change. When S bar equal to 1 and R bar equal to 1, this is called hold condition. And the third condition, the reset condition, when S bar equals to 1 and R bar equals to 0. When R bar equals to 0, then whatever the data that is available in the flip-flop, that data will be eliminated. That is, this will be resets the data. That is output Q equals to 0 and Q bar equals to 1. And the condition that is not allowed is S bar and R bar equals to 0. Okay. S bar and R bar equals to 0 means that is this is discontinued or it is not a valid condition or disallowed condition using NAND gates. Similarly, the same condition that is with respect to NOR gates, we have verified S and R. You can see the signals S and R. When S is 0 and R is 0, it is called as hold condition, no change condition. S0, R0 means that is hold condition, that is no change condition. Similarly, when S equals to 0, R equals to 1, S0 ఉంది కాబట్టి and R equals to 1 ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. If R equals to 1, this is called as reset condition. Reset means the flip-flop will reset the value to 0. This is the reset condition whenever R equals to 1. Similarly, when S is 1 and R is 0, S1 and R0, this is set to condition. Whatever the previous value, that value will be overwritten and the value will be set to 1. That is the output of Q equals to 1. The invalid condition, that is when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1, this is unstable condition for a latch. Okay, this is called unstable condition. This state will not be allowed for SR condition, and this is the disadvantage of this latch run. అంటే ఇలాంటి కండిషన్ మనం ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ ని డిటర్మిన్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాం కాబట్టి this is unstable condition అంటారు. Okay, and this is with this is the SR latch run. Okay, you will see continue from here now. Now, again, we are going to explain the SR latch with respect to the equation. What are the output equations? The output equations ఎలా రాస్తామో చెక్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. The SR latch is also called as set reset latch. SR latch is also called as set and reset latch. Okay, this latch affects the output as long as the enable input is maintained. Here I have not shown the enable input. We are going to see the enable input and clock in the next class, in the next slides. The first we'll see the conditions when both s and r equals to 0. Here we try to understand the combinations. When s equals to 0 తీసుకున్నాను, r equals to 0 తీసుకున్నాను. During this condition, I am going to apply the values. That is, when s equals to 0, r equals to 0. When s equals to 0 and r equals to 0. Now, I want to explain the flip-flop as a memory element. ఇక్కడ ఈ flip flop ని memory element ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది మనం చెక్ చేస్తాము. Here I am indicating the two notations, present state and next state, PS and NS. We are going to indicate the two conditions, that is present state, the PS, and next state, NS. See in the functional table. Functional table, if you observe here, that is indicated. This is the present state, and this is the next state. The present state I am calling it as Q of n or Q suffix n. Next state is nothing but after a certain interval. Therefore, I am calling this as NS. That is Q of n plus 1. This is the present state. We call this as Qn. Next state, we are calling this as Qn plus 1. Now, we are going to determine the entire condition as the final statement as what is the next state of SR flip-flop. What is the next state of SR flip-flop for the different conditions. If you observe the first condition we have chosen, the S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. When S equals to 0 and R equals to 0, I am assuming that the present state is 0. Here, the whatever the indications that is given, if you observe here, initially we have assumed the present state Qn equals to 0. That is, here our assumption, that is, we are assuming the present state of Qn is assumed to be 0. And you can assume 0 or 1. Two conditions, when 0 assume చేసుకుంటాం, we are going to verify our output. When Qn equals to 0, this Qn is given as feedback to the NOR gates. Here I am indicating the numbers for NOR gate. This is the NOR gate 1 and this is the NOR gate 2. NOR gate 1 and 2. The Qn is given as feedback to the NOR gate 2. If you can observe for a NOR gate, when the two inputs are 0, ఏమవుతుందన్న NOR gate కి? When both the inputs are 0, the output will be, what is the output now? If any one input is 1, the output is 0. When both the inputs are 0, then the output will be equals to 1. That is, here when this Qn is given as feedback to 0, this 0 is applied to the second NOR gate, and then at this state the Qn bar output will be equals to 1. This 1 is applied to as a feedback to the NOR gate 1. That is, this 1 is applied as a feedback to the NOR gate 1. If any one input is 1, the output equals to 0. Here, with this observation, you can verify if your input is, if the present state Qn is 0, the next state is also 0. The next state is also 0. That is Q of n plus 1. After some certain time delay, you can verify the output is again 0. That is, with respect to this, when R is 0 and Qn bar is applied as 1 to the NOR gate 1, the next state is also 0. Therefore, you can say there is no change in the state when S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. If the present state is 0, the next state is also 0. If the present state is 1, the next state is also 1. We can now we are going to verify the second condition. The second condition I am going to highlight with the red color, green color to highlight chestam oksa observe cheyandi. Now we are going to verify this condition. When the present state is 0 and the next state is 0, sorry, when S equals to 0 and R equals to 1, when S equals to 0 and R equals to 1, wait 1 minute. When S equals to 0, R equals to 0, and present state Qn is assumed to be 1. Therefore, I am writing here this value Qn equals to 1. Now, see, when Qn is assumed to be 1, if Qn is assumed to be green color lo note chestam. If Qn 1 ante emovutundu, this 1 is applied feedback to the NOR gate 2. Therefore, we are applying the feedback to the NOR gate 2 as 1. When one of the input is 1, the output of second NOR gate is resets to 0. That is, this value equals to 0. This value is 0. Okay. If we have assumed Qn equals to 1, this Qn is given as feedback to the NOR gate 2. Therefore, Q of n plus 1, that is Qn bar equals to 0. This 0 is applied to the NOR gate 1 as feedback. Then both the inputs of first NOR gate is 0. Therefore, output is set to 1. Therefore, there is no change in the output. There is no change in the output. The output will be remain state. Okay. The output is remaining in the same state. When S0 and R0. Okay. To conclude this, we are writing the equation like this. Equation of when S equals to 0 and R equals to 0, when S equals to 0, R equals to 0, Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. Here I am writing this equation based on the NOR gates. NOR gates are asking. Assume Q of n plus 1. Q of n plus 1 across this is Q of n plus 1. This is the, if you observe the input of the NOR gate 1. NOR gate 1 ki check cheyandi. NOR gate 1 I am considering the output of NOR gate 1 and output of NOR gate 2 observe cheyandi. Writing, I am writing the output of NOR gate 2, that is Q of n plus 1 equals to Q of n plus 1 equals to, see here I am writing the Q of n plus 1. This is obtained from the NOR gate 1. NOR gate 1 equation dial. One of the input is n. One of the input is R. Okay, I am writing this as one of the input is R. See, R plus, you can see, I am writing with R plus. Second input is Qn bar, whole complement. NOR gate 1 output of NOR gate 1. I am writing this as Q of n plus 1. That is the next state of Q of n is Q of n plus 1. This is nothing but the R plus Qn bar whole bar. For this condition, as we know, when both S and R are 0, therefore, if you observe R equals to 0, I am writing this as 0 plus Qn bar. That is, I am writing the same Qn bar whole complement. Whole complement. What is the equation? 0 plus something is the same value. Therefore, we are getting the same Qn bar. Qn double complement. By writing this, we are getting the equation as this will be equals to Qn double complement. That will be equals to Qn. And here operation explain I am explaining this operation based upon the output equation. Here, if you observe this output equation, Q of n. The next state of Q of n is the Q of n plus 1. We have written the Q of n plus 1 equals to R plus Qn bar whole bar. Therefore, we can write R equals to 0. This is equals to Qn. This is the condition for when S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. The next state equals to the Qn. Therefore, we can write the entire equation here in the functional table. If you observe, we have written the statement as when S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. There is no change in the next state. Therefore, Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. Okay. Now, here doubt in the Q of n plus 1 is Qn. Similarly, you can verify all the equations. You can verify the remaining condition. When S is 0 and R equals to 1. S 0 is R equals to 1. Yes. Therefore, if you observe S equals to 0 and R equals to 1, if I can write the same equations. We can write the I am writing the equations here. Second condition, Q of n plus 1. When S equals to 0, comma, R equals to 1. When S0 and R equals to 1, I am defining the next state of Qn is Q of n plus 1. Q of n plus 1 equal to, we can write the same equation by using the output from the NOR gate 1. I can write this as we know 1 plus R plus Qn bar kabatti 1 plus Qn bar. Therefore, I am writing Q of n complement whole complement. 1 plus something. What is 1 plus something? 1 plus something, as we know, complement law or null law, we can write this as 1 plus something equals to 1 whole complement. 1 complement equals to this value equals to 0. This value will be equals to 0. Now, statement hello define just for S equals to 0, R equals to 1. As we know, I am taking the output from the NOR gate 1. Output for the NOR gate, what is Q of n plus 1 is. Therefore, Q of n plus 1 equals to 1 plus Qn bar whole bar. 1 plus something is 1, 1 complement is 0. If Qn plus 1 is 0, what is the complement of Qn plus 1? Complement of Qn plus 1, the complement equals to 1. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ మీరు దీన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోండి. Q of అంటే I am writing the complement now. Qn bar complement కి ఏమవుతుంది? Next state Q of n plus 1 whole complement equals to the 0 complement is 1 when s equals to 0 and r equals to 1. Similarly, this is the second condition. We have verified this condition. When S0 and R equals to 1, if the present state is 0 or present state is 1, the output is resets to 0. Therefore, I am writing the value of the output is 0. Therefore, we are writing the output value equals to 0. Okay. Similarly, we are taking the third condition. And now we are going to check this condition. When S equals to 1, R equals to 1. When S equals to 1 and R equals to 1, sorry, when S equals to 1, R equals to 0, we are going to see the output condition as 1. See, if we observe, I am writing this equation for this condition. As we know, when S equals to 1, when S equals to 1, when S equals to 1 and R equals to 0. Now we need to verify the next state. Therefore, here I am going to check the next state for Qn bar. I am writing the next state of Qn. Next state of Qn bar is, what is the next state of Qn bar, Nana? This will be equals to Qn plus 1 bar. I am writing Qn plus 1 bar. Therefore, I am writing Qn plus 1 bar equals to, I have to write the equation. What is the equation? Qn plus 1. If you observe the output for the NOR gate 2, NOR gate 2 the right. Therefore, we can write this equation as S plus Qn complement. S plus Qn whole complement. If you verify the output equation of the NOR gate 2, NOR gate 2 output equation check channel. One input is S, second input is Qn. Therefore, I can write S plus Qn whole complement. If you apply S equals to 1 in this equation, for S equals to 1, 1 plus Qn complement. 1 plus Qn complement. 1 plus something, as we know, 1 plus something will be equals to 1. Therefore, we can write this as, this is equals to 1 plus complement. This will be equals to, that will be equals to, what is the value? This will be equals to 0. What is this 0, Nana? This is the 0 that is producing across Q of n plus 1 complement. Therefore, we can write the opposite value, that is Q n plus 1 equals to the complement of Qn plus 1 bar. This will be equals to 1. Therefore, we can give the statement as when S equals to 1 and R equals to 0, the output of Q of n plus 1 will be equals to, the output of Q of n plus 1 equals to 1. Output of Q of n plus 1 equals to 1. That is the third condition. When S1 and R0, we are observing the output across the Qn bar. Qn bar next state Q of n plus 1 bar. We have written S plus Qn complement. 1 plus Q. When S equals to 1, 1 plus Qn whole bar. 1 plus something is 1. 1 complement is 0. This 0 is produced across the NOR gate output 2 none. This 0 is producing across the NOR gate output 2. Similarly, what is the output across NOR gate 1? That will be the complement of NOR gate output 2. Therefore, 0 complement is 1, 1. Therefore, when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1, we can write the output is set to 1. This is the condition, third condition. Similarly, now we are going to check the fourth condition. Now, I am erasing all these things. I am erasing all the things. The last condition we are going to verify. What is the last condition? When S equals to 1, when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1, which is called as indeterminate state or invalid state. When S equals to 1, R equals to 1, whatever may be your present statement. present state ఏదున్నా సరే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే we cannot identify your next state అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు? For these two conditions, as I have already explained, this condition, as I have already explained this condition, when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1, I am writing the values here. The NOR gate inputs, both the NOR gate inputs are 1. Here, the NOR gate of first is equals to 1. The NOR gate of second NOR gate is also equal to 1. The S equals to 1 and R equals to 1. Both the NOR gate outputs are trying to reach. What is the value? If any one input is 0, the Qn is trying to reach out. The Qn is output equals to 0, and the Qn bar will be 0, which is not practically possible as per the theory. And theory lo em cheptunna NOR gate lo input ki 1 unte output is 0. Therefore, the Qn and the Qn bar is trying to get the output as 0, which is called as indeterminate state. This state is not allowed, and this state is called as invalid state. Okay. Here, the previous we discussed the S or what is Qn, what is Qn plus, what is Qn bar and check chesana last class. But here we are discussing the flip-flops as Qn and Qn plus 1. That is present state and next states. We are going to verify what is the present state and what is the next state. The present state is indicated as Q of n. Next state is indicated as Q of n plus 1. Okay. With these conditions, we are going to see our flip-flops. Flip-flops ela work avutuni chuddam. Okay. మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా రాసానో మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ NOR గేట్ అవుట్పుట్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాసాను. ఆ అవుట్పుట్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఓకే. నౌ we are going to see the remaining. మన ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? Anyone has any doubt? See, we are concluding the SR latch. This is the statement. Again, you have to remember this statement. I am recalling these statements. The first condition, when both the S and R are 0, whatever may be your present state means 0 unna 1 unna, we are calling this as invalid state. Endukani? Here we have represented this diagram with respect to the NAND gates. This is represented with respect to the NAND gates. అదే ఇందాక తీసుకున్న దాంట్లో చూడండి, ప్రీవియస్ స్లైడ్ లో చూసుకుంటే దట్ ఈస్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ విత్ NOR గేట్స్. NOR గేట్స్ కి NAND గేట్స్ కి డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద డిఫరెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్, when 0 1, this will be output is resets to 0. When it is 1 0, the output is set to 1. When it is 1 1, this is no change. For a NAND gate, NOR gate అయితే మీకు రివర్స్ లో వచ్చింది ఆపరేషన్. ఫర్ NOR gate this is reverse. ఒకసారి చూడండి, NOR gate ఫంక్షనాలిటీ కూడా చూపిస్తాను. ఫర్ ఇన్ NOR gate, when both the S and R inputs are 0, there is no change. That is previous state equals to present state. That is next state equals to present state. PS, the NS equals to PS, or Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. Here, when it is 0 1, the next state Q of n plus 1 equals to 0. That is, it is going to be reset. When it is 1 0, this is set to 1. When it is 1 1, this is called as invalid state or indeterminate state of SR latch. SR latch. Okay. With this, we have completed what is the functionality of the latch. Latch functionality, NOR gate lo NAND gate lo functionality identify chestam. Now we are going to see flip-flops. Now we are going to see the what is flip-flop. ఇప్పుడు వరకు latch చూసాను. Latch కి flip-flop కి డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పాను. In a latch, we don't have any clock signal. In a flip-flop, we are going to have the clock signal. The latches are the basic building blocks of flip-flops. There are 4 types of flip-flops. First one is SR flip-flop. Second one is JK. Third one is D flip-flop. Data flip-flop antaru. Delay flip-flop అని పిలుస్తారు. T flip-flop means toggle flip-flop. T flip-flop is indicating toggle flip-flop. Okay. Wait 1 second now. Okay. The first one we are going to see SR flip-flop. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఆపరేషన్ రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆపరేషన్ జాగ్రత్తగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోండి. ప్రీవియస్ గా మనం తీసుకుంది NAND గేట్, NAND latch తీసుకున్నాం. NAND latch తీసుకొచ్చి NAND latch we are connecting 2 more NAND gates that will be equals to SR flip-flop. Okay, SR flip-flop operates with only positive clock transitions or negative clock transitions, either positive or negative clock transitions, whereas SR latch operates with enable signal. The circuit diagram for SR flip-flop is shown in the below. You can observe in the block diagram. If you observe the block diagram, here we are having the SR flip-flop, and we are having a clock signal. If you observe the triangle, ఈ triangle ఉంటే ఏమని చెప్పాను, this is a edge triggering. The triangle symbol కనిపిస్తుందంటే that is called as edge triggering. Without triangle, the clock signal apply చేస్తే here, this is your clock signal. Here the clock is given as control signal. We are having a triangle signal. This signal is indicating this is a edge triggering. Here edge, positive edge or negative edge, and here we don't have any bubble kabatti this is positive edge. Ikkada bubble ledhu kabatti positive edge ani cheppi indication. Bubble unte negative edge triggering ani mean. Okay, we have verified what are the types of triggering. In triggering we have studied level triggering and edge triggering. In the level triggering we are having the positive level triggering, negative level triggering, and similarly edge triggering we are having positive edge triggering, negative edge triggering. The difference between edge and level triggering is, in edge triggering we don't have any triangle symbol here. In the level triggering we don't have any triangle symbol like this. In edge triggering we are having a triangle symbol. Triangle symbol la kanipistundi. Similarly, active low signal annappudu bubble vastundi, active high annappudu bubble undi. That is the difference. Here this is the circuit block diagram configuration, the schematic for SR flow. We are having S and R. S is called as set pin, R is called as reset pin. S ni set pin antaru, R ni reset pin ani cheptaru. And we are having the two outputs, Q output and Q bar. Okay, జాగ్రత్తగా observe. Q output అంటే Q of n అని మీనింగ్. Q bar అంటే Qn bar. Q అంటే present state output. Q of Q plus 1 అన్నాం అంటే this is called as next state. Simply Qn plus అంటే Qn అని పిలుస్తారు. Q of n plus 1 అంటే next state. Q of n plus 1 bar అంటే inverted next state, inverted output for the next state. Okay, this is the inverted output, this is the normal. Okay, observe this functional diagram, logic diagram chudandi. Up to the dotted lines, this is called as NAND latch, NAND gate latch man verify chesi. Okay, now the remaining is one input is connected as yes and second input is connected as R. Here the clock is applied as a common to the both the NAND gates. The clock is connected to common to the both the NAND gates. Consider the NAND gates 1, NAND gate 2, NAND gate 3 and NAND gate 4. S ki connect chesundani first NAND gate anukuntam, R connect chestundi NAND gate 2 antam, dan tarvata Qn దగ్గర ఉంది NAND gate 3, Qn bar దగ్గర ఉంది NAND gate 4. We are naming this as the 4 NAND gates. Now we are going to verify this operation. Okay, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఇక్కడ ఆపరేషన్ ఇక్కడ డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి. See, we are going to verify this operation with 4 conditions. Verify the first condition. When S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. This is the first condition we are going to see. When S is 0, R is 0. S0, R0. And previously discussed chesanu. SR latch ki we using NAND gate cheppanu. Here we are going to verify this condition when S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. This is the first condition. See, I have applied the inputs when S0 and R equals to 0, and I am applying the clock pulse. See the clock pulse direction. The direction of clock pulse is upward. This is indicating that it's the positive edge triggering. The clock pulse arrow mark is upward. This is indicating this is a positive edge triggering. Now, and we are going to apply both the inputs S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. Here we have applied S0 and R equals to 0. Now clock equals to 1. And whenever the clock pulse is seeing its positive edge, and the clock pulse lo positive edge eppudaithe chustundo, positive edge ante malli okasari figure draw chestundi, jagratha chudandi. Here this is my clock pulse. and this is the positive edge. This is the positive edge. Whenever the signal is saying this clock pulse, this 0 to 1 edge, this is going to work. I am indicating the numbers. This is a NAND gate 1. This is my NAND gate 1. And this is my NAND gate 2. See, NAND gate 1 and 2. The NAND gate 1 and NAND gate 2, the entire SR flip-flop will work with positive edge clock. As all of you know, even there is for a NAND gate, if any one input is 0, for a NAND gate, if any one input is 0, the output equals to 1. Therefore, here the output is written as 1. The output of first NAND gate is 1. The output of second NAND gate is also 1. When S is 0 or equals to 0, both the NAND gates 1 and 2 outputs will be set to 1, or outputs are 1 for the NAND gate 1 and NAND gate 2. And we are applying this 1 to the both the SR NAND latch. NAND latch ka apply chestam. What will happen? Ikkada em jarugutundi ila apply chestam. I am going to write the output equation. See, the output equation for the remaining NAND gates. Here I am writing the NAND gate 3 and NAND gate 4. If you verify the output equation of the NAND gate 3, NAND gate 3 output equation verify cheyandi. If you verify the NAND gate 3 output equation, here Q of n plus 1, Q of n plus 1 is the next state of Q of n. It is the NAND gate output 3. Q of n plus 1 equals to next state of Q of n. What is the NAND gate 3 in output? One input is 1. The second input is feedback coming from the QN bar. It is the feedback that is coming from this QN bar. This is the feedback that is connected to NAND gate 3. And the second input will equals to 1. Therefore, we are writing Q of n plus 1 equals to 1 into QN bar. 1 into, observe the output across the NAND gate 3. NAND gate 3 output check change. One input is 1 and the second input is QN bar. And it is NAND gate called whole bar. 1 into something 1. QN bar double complement, this will be equals to QN. And if for S equals to 0 and R equals to 1, we get the output equation, whatever may be your present state. My present state edunna problem ledu. Therefore, I have indicated here as x0 unna problem ledu, 1 unna problem ledu. The next state will be equals to Qn. The next state equals to Qn. That is, we are simply calling there is no change in the state whenever S equals to 0 and R equals to 0. S0 apply chesna, R0 apply chesna, there is no change in the state. Therefore, we call this as no change state, or Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. This is the first condition we are going to verify. We have verified. Now, I could doubt in the none. And I have doubt in the first state and define chesana. Doubt in the equation Mali Rastinda, equation type chesana chudandi sir. The output of the NAND gate 3. We are writing the output for the NAND gate 3. Q of n plus 1. This is called as next state of Qn of the NAND gate 3. This will be equals to, as we know, we have for NAND gate 3, we are getting the two inputs. The one input is already written as 1. That is, we are taking the this as 1 into the second input is Qn bar. Qn bar. This whole complement, that will be equals to 1 into something. A into 1 is A. 1 into 1. 1 into Qn bar, that will be equal to Qn bar. Therefore, this will be equals to Qn bar double complement. Qn bar double complement, that will be equals to Qn. This will be equals to Qn itself. This indicates the next state and the present states are equal. Simply, we are calling this as no change state. There is no change in the state when S equals to 0, R equals to 0. For SR flip-flop using NAND gates, there is no change. If any conditions check cheyali, since we are having the two inputs S and R, we have to check all the conditions. 0-0 condition, S0, R0, 0-1 condition, D8. 0-1 condition and 1 1-0 condition and 1-1 condition. We have to check all the conditions. Okay. See the next point. నేను ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. మీకు డౌట్ లేదంటే నెక్స్ట్ నేను పిలుస్తాను, నెంబర్ పిలిస్తే మీరు చెప్పాల్సి ఉంటుంది. నేను 404 ఎవరు? 404. Here for all the 4 conditions S0 R0 S0 R1 S1 R0 and S1 R1, here the basic input control signal is clock. Here the outputs are varying by the application of clock signal. That is, whenever it is seeing the positive edge of the clock, the output, the Q of n plus, that is next state, is changing with respect to the clock. Therefore, these circuits are called as synchronous sequential circuits. Now, after completion of this circuit, we are going to verify asynchronous also. Same circuit lo asynchronous mode lo ela work cheyalinapudu verify chestam. Okay, ante meeku ikkada daaka ela undo meeku cheppanu. Try to understand. Meeku edaina chinna doubt unna verify cheskondi. Mostly repu Tuesday kuda you will have a class at the same time 11:15 to 12:15. Tomorrow you will have the same continuation class now. Nana andarki రేపు 11:15 అంటే మీకు కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా క్లాస్ లేకపోతే మాత్రం 11:15 to 12:15 రేపు మళ్ళీ ఐ విల్ టేక్ ద వన్ మోర్ క్లాస్. ఆ క్లాస్లో కూడా we will discuss only the SR flip flop. SR flip flop అందరి దగ్గర నేను వెరిఫై చేసుకుంటాను, అందరినీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను. యూ మస్ట్ నోట్ ద నోట్స్ అండ్ హౌ టు ఆన్సర్ అని. మీకు డౌట్ అనిపిస్తే అడగండి, ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ అయినా రిపీట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. S0 R0 కండిషన్ ఎలా చెప్పామంటే, this is the circuit diagram for the SR flip flop, which is having the 4 NAND gates. 4 NAND gates లో మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది. I have applied S0 and R0. This flip flop is working for positive edge. Positive edge means we are going to apply the clock. This is the clock. ఈ clock ని వెరిఫై చేసుకొని చెప్తున్నాను. Whenever the clock equals to 1, see the clock is applied as positive arrow mark. During this condition, when S0 and R0, whatever your present state మీకు ఏ వాల్యూ ఉన్నా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. X అని తీసుకున్నాం. Xn is indicating X can be either 0 or 1. The next state is Q of n. Q of n plus 1 is the next state, and next state equals to present state Q of n. Therefore, we can simply say when S0 and R0 there is no change in the value, we call this as no change condition. This is the equation we have taken with respect to the NAND gate 3 output. NAND gate 3 output దగ్గర చెక్ చేసుకున్నాం. మీకు అవుట్పుట్ లో చూసినప్పుడు అక్కడ Qn అనే కనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ నేను నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్ రాయాలన్నప్పుడు Q of n plus 1 అని రాస్తాను. Qn యొక్క నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్ ఇస్ Q of n plus 1. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఇండికేషన్ రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి. వాట్ ద ఇండికేషన్స్? ద ప్రెజెంట్ స్టేట్ అవుట్పుట్. The present state output we are calling this as Qn. For this, the next state. For this, the next state will be equals to Ns. The next state is called as Q of n plus 1. This is the next state. Similarly, the complement of this present state complement చూస్తున్నారు. Present state complement we are calling this as Qn bar, and its next state will be equals to Ns. Is we are writing Q of n plus 1 bar. Okay, the NAND gates that are choosing Qn bar and rastam. Qn is the present state, Qn bar is the present state complement output. Similarly, the next states will be Q of n plus 1 for Qn, Q of n plus 1 bar for Qn bar. These are the indications for present states and next states. Present states and next states. Okay, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఒకసారి చూడండి. మనం మీకు ఈ స్లైడ్స్ కూడా మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఎవర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ మొత్తం కూడా షేర్ చేస్తాను, మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. SR latch using NAND gate, SR latch using NOR gate ని చెక్ చేయండి. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, this concluding this class.